Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to make background transparent in Photoshop. Here's an image with white color background. Now let's transparent the background. I'm selecting my pen tool and I'm selecting the curve very carefully. Hit Ctrl plus Enter to make selection. Now click this mask icon and here you can see now its background is transparent. To save this, click on File, Save As. First select the PNG format for transparent background. And that's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.